Well, I'm out at Campbell Creek here in Anchorage, Alaska, obviously with one of my RadMini electric bicycles. Got a quick unboxing to do. I've done a few unboxings in the past, and of course they're usually at home on the on my desk or the dining table, but such a beautiful day I thought I would do it outdoors. So got a little box here. I don't know if you can read it, but it's from a company 1859 Northwest. It's from California. Let's show what's inside. My daughter had already opened the end. I haven't even opened it myself. But what I have here, look at that little, I guess it's a burlap sack. I have a couple throttles for my RadMini. So, cool little bag. I'll put the the cost up whenever I get home. Oh, it's a personal little note. Thank you for supporting 1859 Northwest, an American company. Thank you, John. I hope you enjoy these two JA throttle attachments. Adam, cool. And there's their website, 1859 Northwest. It's www.1859nw.com. Adam Jarvis and Ken Jarvis are the owners. It's got a Facebook page there, got an email, so very neat. Let's take a look at the throttles. I got them, they have different colors. I got both in orange. I've got two RadMinis. I got the white one you see here, and I got a black one at home. I thought I'll go with orange. Oh, look at there. It's got their names there. It's got a Velcro attachment. So let me move the camera around, and we'll try to put it on. Okay, well, let's take a look here. It's obviously got to go on like this for your thumb. I assume you want to take this all the way off. This is my first time giving it a try. Let's see here. Oh, look how nice it fits right there. Pull the Velcro tight, I think. Grip right there. It's right there. It's kind of low down. Wonder if you can adjust it up at all. Let's see. Looks like you could have it right there if you wanted to. All personal preference, of course. So if you're here, you'd have to come up here. See, I kind of have to reach up here, which is kind of nice, I guess. I mean, it's not like you're going to accidentally hit it or anything. So you have to make a definite attempt there. And then if you're on the throttle all the way, that's comfortable there. So I think either way it'd be okay. Most people would probably want to adjust it down a little bit, but alrighty, there you go.
RadMini, the electric bicycle. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love my new RadMini. Get one and see, you'll love it just like me. Good for urban streets and off-road terrain. So much fun and easy on the brain. Get it on Alaska with your new RadMini. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Ooh, I